Techno Industrial Products offers ADV15T and ADF695. These auto drain valves are high in demand nowadays due to their fit and forged quality and multi-utility structure. The auto drain valves are widely demanded with air compressors, woodworking industry, pneumatic tools, automobile industry, automation industry, landscape irrigation, and much more you can think of. ADV15T comes with inbuilt ball valve for manual working, and strainer to remove any dirt to come damage the solenoid portion. Video show working of the timer of these kind of valves, where we get option of drain from 0 to 10 seconds, and interval from 0.5 to 45 minutes. Timer also comes with manual override button at top. ADF695 comes in stainless steel body, also with strainer to avoid blockage of solenoid. Both the solenoid valves are your excellent partners in automatic drain of air or water. Image shows the timer, which is important part of working and also available in spare. These valves are designed to withstand pressure up to 16 bar. In the working, we can see the timer signaling the solenoid. The pressure get out from the exit port, and once timer get off, the solenoid also get to normal standby position. Thanks for watching.